Bryant. I don't know if you guys could tell, but I'm kind of in a really cold place right now. I've got my jacket on, and it's like a snowstorm coming in, like a blizzard. Anyway, I'm in a setting of this really cool book. It's called Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups, and I really hope that you guys enjoy it. I'm gonna read it to you. It does require you guys to have some interaction with the book. So after you see the numbers 1, 2, 3, you guys are gonna yell boo to try to get that penguin to get rid of the hiccups. Can you guys do it? I hope so, because I'm really cold. Miss you guys. Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups by Tadgh Bentley. Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups by Tadgh Bentley. Oh, hello. It's so nice to meet you. Franklin said you'd be here soon. I wonder if you might be able to stay. You may have noticed that I've got a terrible case of the hiccups. It's driving me cuckoo. It all started last week on chilly night. I'm not sure how many penguins you know, but let me give you some advice. Never give chili to a penguin. It gives us hiccups. I can't get rid of them. Frederick told me to stand on my head, and Chester told me to drink backward from a cup. Albert told me to stand on my head while drinking backwards from a cup. Nothing works. But Franklin has given me a new idea, and I need your help. Apparently, giving someone a good scare is the surest, bestest way to cure hiccups. So I need you to scare me. But I don't really like being scared, so be nice. You're going to say boo on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boo! Is that it? Let's try again. Louder this time. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Boo! Pretty scary. Maybe that cured my... Oh, dear. Scaring is not working, guys. Ugh. Will I have the hiccups forever? One more time. Shout. Go crazy. Okay, ready. 1, 2, 3. Roar! Ooh, he was not expecting that. Neither was I. Franklin, what on earth are you doing? You told me to stand here and wait for a good scare, and then you go and jump out on me, so now my feathers are all wet, and my mom will go bonkers because she just watched these the other day. Now I'll have to wait until I'm ready to be scared again. Hey, hold on a second. My hiccups, they're gone. Oh, thank you so much. Let's celebrate with a nice spicy taco. Oh, brother, I wonder if a taco is such a good idea because it's... Oh, no, it's spicy. Hope you guys enjoyed Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups.